Hi guys, what is up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys some of the beauty products and body care products that I got from Nykaa as well as Sephora. So recently Nykaa में एक बड़ा print sale चल रहा था. I think it was Black Friday and Thanksgiving sale. So I picked out a lot of things because बहुत सारी चीज़ें discount में थी. And along with that, मैं recently Sephora भी गई थी because I wanted to shop some particular thing. And थोड़ा मुझे मेरा skin का जो shade है उसको analyze करने में थोड़ा difficulty होता है. So I was like, it would be better if I go in person and I pick up some things out from Sephora. So that's exactly what I did. So yeah, I think that's it and let's get on with the video. So the very first thing that I picked out is this Laneige. This is the Cream Skin Cerapeptide Toner and Moisturizer. So you can use it as a toner as well as a moisturizer. मैं basically as a toner use करती हूँ because मेरा skin slightly dry हो जाता है winter में. So this is not just enough. So I have to put on moisturizer as well. And also this mist, ये जो mist है वो completely अलग आया है. So that mist came in this. और ये जो lid है वो originally इसके साथ आया था. So you have to replace it with the mist. Let's take a moment and appreciate the packaging because it's so sleek and it looks so classy and the color is bright and I just really like it. And also मैंने बहुत सारे influencers को ये use करते हुए देखा था. So I really wanted to try it out. But so far I think there is no negative reaction from me whatsoever. I've used it like a tad bit, but so far it makes my skin kind of smooth and supple. It soaks into my skin really well. It plumps up my skin. That's so far is what I have noticed. The next thing that I got is this Kama Ayurveda Pure Rose Water Face and Body Mist. I have gone through bottles of these and this works wonders. अगर तुम्हारा skin बहुत ही ज़्यादा dry है but there are times that you're kind of very lazy to apply moisturizer, this actually really helps and this hydrates, plumps up your skin and it just is, it's really long lasting and उसका fragrance बहुत ही mild है. It's not at all irritating. Of course it's pure rose water but it really feels good on my skin. मैं जब भी काम पे बैठती हूँ I have this bottle on my desk, so जब भी मुझे लगता है that I'm feeling kinda sleepy or you know just lazy, I just spray this on and it really refreshes you, awakens you, and of course it works wonders on your skin. It's really good for pores as well. I have a lot of pores, so this really helped kind of minimize my pores, not so much but kind of. So I think for me this is really good and I would definitely recommend you trying this. And in case if you guys don't want to buy the Laneige one, I would think that this one is really good because this is kind of on the expensive side because I got the toner plus mist which was on discount of course, and this one is kind of cheap but it works good as well. The next thing that I got is this Hyphen Golden Hour Glow Sunscreen SPF 50 PA++++. So this is the very first time that I've used this sunscreen and this brand as well. Hyphen is basically a brand by an Indian actress. She is Kriti Sanon. And recently ये उनका new launch था and I had seen a lot of people using this because of the glow it gives, and also it's a dupe of Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Filter as well as the ELF Cosmetics highlighter. So I've never used Charlotte Tilbury या ELF का कुछ, but ये बहुत सारे लोगों ने बोला है कि ये dupe है, and when I applied it, it was not that on your face glowy. It was very supple. It was like a natural highlighter and it just highlighted and made my skin very glowy, dewy. It's not irritating on the skin. With somebody who has had acne prone skin, it's a very normal sunscreen. It doesn't even feel like it has a tint. So yeah, for me I think it's really good. I mean, I've tried it out multiple times and for me I think this works. The next thing that I have is this Maybelline Fit Me 16-hour All Control SPF 22 Matte Plus Poreless Foundation. I'm very late on the Maybelline foundation game. This is the very first time that I'm using this foundation. मैंने कभी ये foundation use नहीं किया है, but my review so far is it's medium coverage it looks really beautiful on my skin. As you can see, I've applied the foundation. It's exactly my shade match. So if you can see, it kind of minimized my pores as well. It looks very natural on my skin. It doesn't feel like I have a foundation on, and it blends perfectly. So I think if you're just using this foundation and if you don't want to wear a concealer, this will work just fine, and I would definitely recommend you buying this. So the next thing that I picked up is this Benefit Fluff Up Brow Wax. So this is the very first product from Benefit that I'm using, and normally मेरी eyebrows बहुत curly है and ऐसे ऊपर नीचे uneven लगती है. So I wanted to buy a wax जो मेरी brows को set कर ले for a short period of time. अगर मैं कोई शादी में या कोई पार्टी में जा रही हूँ for 5-6 hours, I wanted that thing to last. So इसके reviews बहुत अच्छे थे Nykaa पे. I thought why not try it out. So as you can see, एकदम fluffy हो गए मेरे brows. Also they are set in place and मैंने ये 2 या 3 बार यूज़ किया है. So I can say for a fact that at least 5-6 घंटा तो ये चल जाएगा. If your brows won't budge, it will stay in place. So I would definitely recommend buying this. Another product from Maybelline, this Benefit Sky High Mascara. So ये मैंने first time use किया है. I saw Nykaa में कि इसके reviews बहुत अच्छे थे. Also, one of my friends told me that she's used this and she said that it really is good. And of course, ये waterproof है. मैंने उसको I guess 2 या 3 बार already use किया है and oh my god, this is actually a good mascara. It's waterproof. I tried removing it from the Clinique cleansing balm and मुझे थोड़ा टाइम लगा उसको निकालने में, completely melt करने में, because ये निकलने का नाम नहीं ले रहा था. So I think if you're looking for a good waterproof mascara, this is really good. If you like waterproof mascaras, then I would definitely recommend this one because this won't budge for sure. This is gonna stay up for a good period of time. And also ये सिर्फ one coat है, so you can see my lashes. It's just one coat. I haven't put on a second coat on this one because ये first coat में ही इतना अच्छा लग रहा था, so I was like, you know what, let me just keep it like that. It looks really natural, it looks fluffy, it looks beautiful, so I would definitely recommend this one. So I picked up a bunch of blushes. Oh my god, the amount of blushes that I have right now is crazy. So the first thing is the Milk Makeup blush. So recently Sephora ने Milk Makeup launch किया है and it's in their stores in India right now as well as online. मैंने बहुत hype सुनी थी Milk Makeup की and oh my god, it's actually worth the hype. So it comes in a twister, so it's a twister blush and oh my god, it looks really beautiful on my skin because एकदम blend हो गया है. It's very smooth, it's easy to blend and secondly एकदम natural flush दे रहा है and I really like blushes that are very natural, not like on your face एकदम चोकर जैसे लगे, and it gives a very natural flush to my skin. ऐसा लग रहा है कि already my skin is like kind of very plumped up and red, so it gives you a very natural look for sure and I would definitely recommend buying this. And I think that I'm gonna pick up some few other things out from Milk Makeup because मुझे लग रहा है that this brand is totally worth the hype so far, at least according to me. Another blush that I picked up is this Benetint Benefit Lip and Cheek Stain, and first time using this, never used this before, but as you can see मैंने मेरे lips पे भी लगाया ये, so it gives a very natural look to my lips and it's a tint so वो completely बैठ गया है. I don't think it's gonna budge. Also you can apply this on your cheeks. See, it gives like a natural blush on my nose and also my lips look really natural. They don't look like there's a stain on. So yeah, I would definitely recommend trying this, but I am using this for the very first time, so I cannot really say, but I would definitely recommend you buying this if you want a more expensive like a lip and cheek tint. Then yeah, it's worth it. Rare Beauty blushes. So मैंने first time Rare Beauty से कुछ लिया है and I wanted to try the minis out instead of getting a full size product because मुझे देखना था कि उसके products कैसे हैं and of course इतना ज़्यादा hype हो चुका है Rare Beauty का because of course it's owned by the Queen Selena Gomez. So I've used this liquid luminizer. The shade is N11. So मैंने मेरे high points पे use किया है, that is here and here. It kind of gives you a glow but it's very subtle. It gives me kind of a tan look over here on the high points of my face. And मैंने थोड़ा triangle shape में apply किया है, so I think over here you will be able to see it. It's like right there, so kind of on my eyelids as well as on my brow bones and over here as well. So it gives you a very subtle glow. So I think so far it's really good, and it's also smooth and easy to blend. And उसके साथ ये दोनों blushes आते हैं. So this is in the shade Virtue and this is in the shade Beloved. And I haven't used these blushes at all जब से मैंने लिया है, but the blendability of this product look really good. So as you can see, these are two beautiful colors, and I think so far I'm getting attracted to this one because मेरे पे pinky shade ज़्यादा better लगते हैं instead of coral. But I'm sure I'll try this in the future and let you know if this works. Last but not the least, this is the Hyphen Vitamin Infused Peptide Lip Balm Hazel. So Hyphen का ये second product है जो मैंने use किया है, and I've used this a couple of times. People say that this is a dupe for the Hailey Bieber's Shore Lip Peptide treatment. This is moisturizing for sure, but it's not long lasting. But the pigmentation of this is not that good. I mean, okay है, इतना अच्छा नहीं है, and I feel that there are a lot of products out there जो ज़्यादा long lasting है, especially lip balms. There are different types of lip balms. For me, this is cheap, but I wouldn't wear it every day because it's not long lasting, especially in the winters when your lips are chapped. So moving on to the body care products. So I picked out this Sol de Janeiro body wash, and मैंने बहुत सारे Sol de Janeiro के products use किए हैं, and इसका छोटा version मैंने use किया था. So it comes with a box which has the body wash, the Boom Boom cream, and the third one is the Cherryosa mini fragrance. So तभी मैंने इसका छोटा bottle use किया था, and I really liked this, which is why I picked it up. And by the way, this is not long lasting, so of course be aware of that, and it's really expensive. So if you're going for a luxurious bath experience, then I would definitely recommend buying this. But if you're looking for a more long lasting body wash with good fragrance, then there are many other options out there, like for example Bath and Body Works Eucalyptus and Spearmint body wash. Also I picked up the shampoo and conditioner of Sol de Janeiro as well. इसकी ये second bottle है. I would really recommend using this because इसका सबसे पहले तो fragrance बहुत अच्छा है. It's long lasting on your hair, it smoothens out your hair. Secondly, मैंने मेरे बाल में इतना color किया है, so of course I'm looking for a more smoothing shampoo, and if you pair it along with the conditioner, it works amazing. So I would 10 on 10 recommend buying this. It's very expensive for a shampoo, but it works wonders, at least for me. Also, I picked up the Brazilian Love Ocean Shower and Bath Gel. So this is my second bottle. मैंने ये पहले use किया है, and I kid you not, this is the dupe for this one. These two smell 90% the same, and oh my god, if you're looking for a cheap dupe for this one, then I would recommend buying this. The fragrance है वो बहुत अच्छा है. Secondly, it's very smooth on your skin, it's not irritating, and yeah, it's a good coconutty tropical bath experience for you. The very last thing that I picked up is this Victoria's Secret Pure Seduction Body Mist, and मैंने Victoria's Secret का Bare Vanilla Shimmer वाला fragrance use किया है, and it smells amazing, and it gives you that shimmer if you apply it on your chest. But this one, this body mist particularly, is not the one for me because मुझे ज़्यादा florally and fruity fragrance नहीं पसंद है, and this is exactly that. So for me, I really don't like it because of the fragrance. But if you talk about if it's long lasting or not, then yes, it's long lasting. But if you are more of a vanilla or edgy or woody kind of a perfume person, then this really won't work for you. Oh, and by the way, also I got these YSL fragrance samples after the purchase from Nykaa during the pin sale. I'm not really sure if this will be in your free card, but yeah, I got these samples. And yeah, that is it for today's video, and thank you so much for watching it. I will leave all of the links in the description box down below so you can check it out. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.